guys, I'm Shreya. As you know, India is suffering right now. Every night I pray for India and I hope my friends and family and everyone in India is safe. And every morning I wake up with a sense of gratitude and for the medical staff for working non-stop so you and me can be safe. But right now, India needs your support. It needs our help. I'm very proud of all my friends from entertainment and sport. They've come together and put up one of a kind virtual fundraiser. It's at 6 p.m. India time today. So please come forward, contribute, donate. Every rupee counts. India needs your help. I hope all your friends and family are safe. Sending you lots of love. Please, 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 please wear a mask. Stay indoors, stay healthy, stay happy, stay positive, and donate.